Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Samsung Level U Bluetooth stereo headset with flexible joint with neckband as well as high quality wireless streaming. Now let's look at the box and see if we can see a few specifications and features of the headphones. So as you can see on the back, they have 12 mm speaker units, driver units for high quality sound as per the company. They have a dual mic for noise reduction and echo cancellation during calls. They have magnetic earbud as well as a new design hybrid open type ear gel. They also have flexible urethane joints for comfortable positioning around the neck as well. You also have controls on the earphones themselves that can help you control media and music on the earphones as well as calls. So now let's actually open up the box and look at what we have in here. So you can see that the packaging is quite impressive. You have this quick start guide, which is quite a thick quick start guide in various languages. Let's set that aside. You also have the headphone right here, which we're going to extract from the box and keep it right here. And you also have these extra silicone tips, which they were calling the advanced ear gel. So we're going to take a look at those right now. As you can see, they are not exactly like silicone tips. They have this all-encompassing covered dome kind of structure with this accompanying wing. So it's like a silicone ear tip as well as a wing in one. And we get 3 extra pairs by the looks of it. However, this is the only pair which is additional that also comes with the wing. These ones in here are actually only the tips. So in case you don't want the wings around it, you can just use the tips, and they have different sizes for that as well. On the earphones themselves, they have attached a simple one without the wings. So if you do want the wings, they only come in one size. So now let's set this aside and actually look at the earphones themselves. So now you can see there's a lot of plastic wrapping here, which we're going to be taking out so that we can actually see the earphones properly. So there you go, we've removed all the plastic wrappings around the earphones. They were protected by those because we want you to see how they actually look like without them. So right here on the top, we have the level icon as well as this bright blue color, and the pad is pretty firm. It doesn't have any sort of padding down here, but it feels like it should feel fine around the neck. It has a glossy texture which is kind of prone to fingerprints. But right here in the middle, we have a little bit of a matte texture, and then it goes back to glossy again at the back side. Although the front side does have a rubberized and matte texture. You also have these adjustable rings, you can say, that kind of pull down and up so that you can control how much of the wire actually comes out, which is pretty great. Also on this side, you have the controls, which are basically the multifunction button right here, as well as the volume up and volume down buttons. They're quite tactile, they feel really nice to press. And that's about it for the headband itself. Here you can see that the earphones have this little pipe at the bottom, as well as angled nozzles to aid with better fit. So that's about it for the unboxing of the Samsung Level U Bluetooth stereo headset. Thank you so much for watching this video.